Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot POCO M7 Plus. Okay, so the process is really easy, and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So, to reboot this device, we need to open up the power menu first, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now the power menu appeared. Now we need to drag this white ball into the reboot. Now simply release your finger. As you can see, the screen went black, just like that, and now within a second our device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Also, performing a simple reboot from time to time might be good for the performance of your device, because during that process you simply close the processes that are running in the background, and also this process frees up some RAM. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.